Yeah, guys, it's your boy Robo Moth Bunny back with another pack of brilliant stars. Let's see what we can pull in this one.